Alright, list the information in the sale item table concerning green sneakers. Use the first letter of each table name as alias names. Colors are capitalized while categories are not. Your answer should dynamically include all current columns in the sale item table and any future changes to columns. Let's see how it does. Alright, now this is going to be a little bit different because remember, we're not working with one table called simplified sales. We're looking at many tables. So that means we're going to have to be very specific in what table we want to pull from. It says list the information in the sale item. So if we will look over here at our schema, we will see that entity sale item is right here concerning green sneakers. Uh-oh, it looks that we want a category, which is sneakers, and we want a color, which is green. But this entity doesn't hold color or category, but product does. So that means that we're going to have to join tables sale item and product together. That way that we can use information from both tables. So we start out with our from, and just like specified or simplified sales, we type sale item, then we type join. Oh, I'm sorry, let's go back. From sale item, and let's go ahead and give this an alias because within the I was typing and talking at the same time, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. Use the first letter of each table name as alias names. Use the first letter of each table name as alias names. Alright, so what I'm going to do as an alias, and for those of you that are kind of questioning, hey, what's an alias? That only means it's very simple. That only means that you're giving your table or your entity a nickname. So you don't have to keep writing or So you don't have to keep typing sale item. You can just type, for example, SI to refer to table or entity sale item. Now, don't forget that we needed specific attributes that were not only in sale item, they were in product entity. So we're going to have to join product, and let's go ahead and call that P. That is our alias that we have assigned to our product entity. We're joining them on SI. Okay, now this is going to be a very important point for whenever you're joining. Let's look over here at our schema again. Notice how product attribute is in both entities. That means we have a key that is shared amongst both entities. Therefore, product ID, as shown in both entities, is going to be what we're joining both of these entities on, since both of them have this same key. So you type SI for sale item, product ID equals P dot product ID on, okay, now we put our where down. List the information in sale item table concerning green sneakers. Okay, so we know that from product, we want category, category. And I know it's kind of confusing right now because it's like, well, shouldn't we have to put from product like we did in our simplified sales? But no, because we have joined these two tables, therefore we are able to pull information from both tables. So we type where, which category is under, equal sneakers. and color equals, I think I said, yeah, colors are supposed to be capitalized. List the information in sale item table concerning green sneakers. Use the first letter of each table as an alias, which we did. Colors are capitalized, categories are not. Note, your answer should dynamically include all current columns in the sale item table and any future changes to the columns. Alright, now this last sentence is simply saying I want all information from sale item. I don't want all the information from product. So what we're going to do is type si dot all. I believe that's right. Let's see. Awesome, it was right. All right. Let's go ahead and look at our data that we have. Notice that we have joined the two tables. And notice that the category sneakers, category isn't on here because the attribute category is not within sale item table. Therefore, it's not going to print that column out because I specifically said only print attributes that are in sale item entity. And sale item entity only has item size, quantity, sale price, product ID, sale ID, sale item ID. Yeah, you're not even going to get to see the color. I'm going to go ahead and put comma color comma category so you guys can see how our category is all sneakers and our color is all green. That means our query worked perfectly. So we should be getting 100 on this. Awesome.